Welcome back to Accounting and Training Services Certificate in Xero Accounting course. Module 2, a complete and a step-by-step guide to Xero account setup. Lesson 1, creating your free 30-day Xero trial account. To create your free 30-day Xero trial account, just go to www.xero.com/NZ. Of course, if you're not from New Zealand, you can type in the abbreviation for your own country after www.xero.com. For example, you can type in www.xero.com/AU for Australia and www.xero.com/US for the United States or UK for the United Kingdom. It's very important to note that Xero Software is a cloud or internet browser-based accounting software and works best with the Google Chrome browser. So always use Google Chrome browser for best result. So let's create a free 30-day Xero trial account for Xero users in New Zealand. Open Google Chrome internet browser and type in www.xero.com/NZ and then press the enter key on your keyboard to open Xero website for New Zealand. Okay, now you are on Xero website for New Zealand. As you can see, you have two options. Option 1, login. Option 2, free trial. If you already have an account with Xero, then use the option 1 to log in and access your Xero account. But if you don't have an account, then use the option 2, free trial, to create your free 30-day Xero trial account. Since we don't have an account with Xero and want to create a free trial account now, click on the free trial button now to open the Xero account online sign-up form. Now that you are in the sign-up form area, just complete the form with your details to get you started. Complete this sign-up form with your details such as your name, email address, contact phone number, and country. Finally, scroll down to place a tick in these two check boxes to say that A, you are not a robot, and B, you have read and agreed to the Xero terms and conditions. Here you may require to match a few pictures. And then place a tick here. It's really important to enter email address that you are currently using and can remember your password for this email to access your email account and activate your Xero account. Also, if you have already a paid Xero account or created free trial account in the past, make sure you use a completely different name, email address, and contact phone number, as you can only have one Xero account per email address. Once you have done this, click on the Get Started button to go to the next step, which is email confirmation and account activation. To confirm your email address and activate your account, simply open your email account and click on the link you have received from Xero. This will prompt you to create your password for your Xero account. Create your password in this window and then go add basic details for your organizations in the next screen. Once you have created your free trial account and activated your account, don't do anything with it, as I'm going to teach you everything in a step-by-step and practical manner from scratch. I'm not going to create another free trial account now, as I have created so many free and paid accounts with Xero already. However, this is the exact step-by-step process to create and activate your free 30-day Xero trial account and have access to full version of Xero while learning Xero and completing your certificate course in Xero Accounting. Now that you have learned how to create your free 30-day Xero trial account in this lesson, in the next lesson I will cover the Xero dashboard.